These are seasoned fries. It's already been seasoned. So this is my chicken. So guys, today we are oven bake chicken. I've already mixed it. I didn't remember the video. So this already mixed everything. So it's gonna be going to the oven. It's chicken wings and chicken thighs. Really marinated. Can you see that? So we're gonna be going straight to the oven to bake. What's wrong with your eyes? The boys have gone to school. Just me and baby girl. What's in your mouth? Is that the biscuit you ate? With your hair, your beautiful hair. I'm gonna make your hair again. Mommy, make your hair? What is this in your pot? So guys, it's done. So the chicken and fries. It's chicken wings and thighs. So I'm done frying it. This is my sauce, my ketchup and my sauce to eat with it. Still hot. Woo! Mama, it's hot. She's over there looking at me. Yeah, it's hot. Very sweet. Very good. So I'm gonna go sit down and eat it. Come on, join me. It's so good. Bye. See you next time.